Hello guys and welcome to today's video on Thursday the 4th of June 2020. Okay, right guys, in today's video we're going to look at 5 examples for exam style questions on circle theorems. Right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a private maths tutor and a qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. Don't forget to subscribe and drop the video a like if you're new guys, and enable notifications by pressing the bell icon. But let's get on with today's video. Right guys, we are going to look at 5 examples actually here, 5 exam style questions for circle theorems actually here, for the higher tier paper, grade 7, 8 here, for the GCSE 1 to 9, 9 to 1 year, specification for OCR, WJEC, AQAN, and Excel. Right guys, let's get into the video today. Right guys, okay, so example actually, so it says here, find angle Z actually, so that there is angle Z, okay, so it might be a bit hard to see there, okay, that is angle Z. Right guys, so we've got, that star shape there actually, so we know the angle at the center, okay, so D is the center actually, so A, B, and C are points on the circumference of the circle, D is the center. Right, we know guys that the angle at the center is double the angle at the circumference, so that angle there, angle theta is 57 times 2, which is 114. So that works out actually, right, I've now got, an isosceles triangle. AD is equal to DC because they are, so ADC is what I call an isosceles triangle. Okay, so 180, because angles in the triangle add up to 180. 180 take away 114. Equals 66, divide it by 2, I get 33, which is equal to Z. So Z is equal to 33 for that one, guys. Okay, right, guys, example 2. Okay, so say work out X. So X is equal to 53 degrees because its angles in the same segments are equal. So angles in the same segments are equal. Okay, so nice and easy. Right, guys, example 3. Right, so I've got, a cyclic quadrature actually, so I've got A, B, C, D, so they are points on the circle. I've got triangle DXC. So it says here, right, points on the circle, so show that X is not the center. Right, opposite angles here in the cyclic quadrilateral actually add up to 180. 119 plus 31 plus this angle here has to equal 180. Right, that remaining angle actually, it will give me 180. That angle there, it will be 30 degrees, because 119 plus 31 is equal to 140. 150, plus 30 actually, so that angle there is going to be 30, okay? So that would imply, that that's a scalene triangle. So angle X actually, it will be 180 minus 30 plus 28. So it is not an isosceles triangle actually, so therefore dx is not the same as xc, so therefore x cannot be the center. If x was a center, then angle D and angle C within the triangle would actually be the same. Okay, so dx is not equal to xc, so therefore it is not an isosceles triangle, it is a scaling triangle. Okay, so therefore x cannot be the center, because if it was a center, dx would equal xc, which would therefore imply that those angles would be the same, but they're not. So therefore that is a summary for my answer. Right guys, example 4 actually. Okay, so find out angle Y. So again, I've got an isosceles triangle. Okay, so that's radius, that's a radius. So 21 plus 21 is equal to 42. Okay, take that away from 180 will give me that angle there. Okay, so it will be 138, that angle there will be. To work out angle Y, well, a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius, so therefore Y is equal to 79. 69, 69, Yep. Right, guys, example 5, so last example. Right, so is this a cyclic quadrilateral actually? Okay, so 110 plus 170 is 180. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180. Okay, so that is true, yeah, but the answer is no, because there have to be points on a circle actually. So there is no circle here, yeah. So therefore, it cannot be a cyclic quadrature actually. So to summarize, it has to, these points here have to lie on the circle, on the circumference of the circle actually. Otherwise, yeah, it is not a cyclic quadrilateral by definition. So it has to lie on, yeah, on the circle. Okay. So I hope that made sense, guys. Yeah, please do your comment below actually, yeah, or like, yeah, like ask me any questions, yeah, if you're unsure about any part of today's video. Okay, in the next video we're gonna look at more exam style questions, obviously a bit harder actually, yeah, and then yeah, and then we'll look at we will then look at like different topics here, like yeah, obviously moving on to the curriculum, yeah, for like yeah, any of the curriculum. Okay. Right, guys, check out, yeah, obviously Maths Chelsea and, yeah, and Corbett Maths. Okay, so Corbett Maths actually has, like, loads of questions on this here if you want to practice. Thank you for watching, as ever. Please do, drop the video a like, subscribe if you're new, and enable notifications, because it would really help me out. And feel free, yeah, to obviously, like, share my videos around, actually, yeah, and yeah, comment below, yeah, or, like, yeah, post any questions that you might have. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please stay safe, yeah, and I hope everyone's doing okay and keeping well. Okay, thank you for watching. Happy Thursday. Bye now.